Krystina Benedetti here with The Messy Cookie, and today I want to talk to you about cookie cakes. That's right, they are the perfect dessert for people who are not necessarily huge fans of cake. I know, don't tell the others, we know you exist, it's okay, you don't need to live in silence anymore. I'm here for you. Wait, it's basically like a giant moist chocolate chip cookie that was baked in a cake pan and decorated just as you like. So, I want to show you the two different ways that you can cut your cookie cakes today, and we're gonna have some fun with that. The reason that I want to talk to you guys is because it depends on how many people you're gonna be serving. If you've got a group of like 5 people, cut that cake however you want, right? But let's say you're hosting an event, you've got like a bridal shower or a brunch or a birthday thing or what have you, and you have like at least 10 to 12 people there. You want to figure out the best way to get the best slice for your cake. And that's what I'm going to show you today. The first way you can cut into your cake is like a traditional cake. All right, and your 9-inch cookie cake is gonna get you 8 even slices. Cake number 2. Now this is how we're gonna cut what's called party slices for that bigger group of yours. So this one is 8 slices that could pretty easily be cut into 16. And about the smallest this could go is about 32 slices. All right, guys, however you like your cookie cake, whether you're a square person or that triangle pizza shape, I am gonna help you celebrate in style.